Hi, my name is Jaden, and I'm a junior at Korean Lutheran High School in Irvine, California. Some of my passions are baseball, coding, biking, and so much more. Despite the fact that I explored a lot of different sports such as skiing, ice skating, ice hockey, and so much more, I think the sport that stood out to me the most is baseball. I have my walls decorated in all Angels gear, and I have a section in my dress room just for all the baseballs I've collected over the years. In fact, I first fell in love with my second greatest passion, which is engineering, while playing baseball. Once my little brother threw me a knuckleball and I was so fascinated by the fact that when it came to me, it didn't seem to spin at all, that I did my own research and I learned about aerodynamics and so much more back in middle school. And this is when I first decided I wanted to be an engineer when I grow up. Later, this passion for engineering grew into something more specific, which were coding and radar. And I became interested in these two topics because I wanted to develop a system that could track pitch speed and pitch spin rate better than the current MLB system, pitch FX. I was so interested in how pitches like curveball, two seam, and so many different type of pitches would work despite having similar to same grip. And this is when I started going deep into coding. While looking back at it, it is very amateur level coding. I was still trying to develop my own coding algorithm to track pitch speed and pitch spin rate and how it correlates. And I also used data available on PitchFX in order to determine how the pitcher's grip and release point would affect the pitch speed and pitch spin rate. Now, I think a lot of people could infer the fact that I was a middle schooler while trying to do this, that it did not go well. But however, I think this is the reason why I got deeply into engineering as I am today. A lot of the opportunities that I've gotten ever since then is from my school. Being a member of the engineering program at my high school, I was blessed to have multiple engineering opportunities, such as playing with Arduinos, molding, woodworking, 3D printing, and so much more. My favorite opportunity out of all of these amazing opportunity my school has given me was the school robotics project. Thankfully, our school was able to trust me and 6 to 7 other students enough to the point that they charged us with quite a big budget in order for us to make a robot for a school soccer field. So what they wanted us to do is they wanted us to make a robot that would go around the soccer field painting the soccer field boundaries. And while it's not concluded yet and it's still in progress, it is looking very realistic and we got a lot of our prototypes done. And I think this opportunity is why I decided to apply to this internship program because my school's opportunity was wonderful, and I was so excited and fascinated while working on this project. And this compelled me to work on more projects like this. And I know for a fact that NASA's internship program is going to be wonderful, and I want to have this opportunity to grow as an engineer, grow as a computer scientist, grow as a just STEM person and just be a better engineer than I was while working on this robotics project so that I'm able to do even greater projects in the future.